Adobe Audience Manager Online Training. Introduction to Adobe Audience Manager, AUM. Adobe Audience Manager, AUM, is a data management platform, DMP, that allows businesses to build unique audience profiles by collecting, organizing, and activating data from various sources. Here's an introduction to its key features and functionalities. Data collection and integration. AUM gathers data from multiple sources such as websites, mobile apps, CRM systems, and third-party data providers. It integrates this data into a centralized platform for unified audience management. Audience segmentation. Users can create detailed audience segments based on demographic, behavioral, and contextual data. These segments help in targeting specific groups with personalized marketing campaigns. Data activation. AUM enables users to activate audience segments across different marketing channels, including advertising platforms, email marketing systems, and content management systems. This ensures consistent messaging and personalized experiences for targeted audiences. Audience Insights. It provides analytics and reporting features to gain insights into audience behavior, campaign performance, and ROI. These insights help marketers optimize their strategies and improve targeting efficiency. Privacy and compliance. AUM includes tools for data governance and compliance with privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. It emphasizes data security and user consent management to protect consumer privacy. Integration with Adobe Marketing Cloud. AUM integrates seamlessly with other Adobe Marketing Cloud products, such as Adobe Experience Cloud, Adobe Analytics, and Adobe Campaign. This integration enhances cross-channel marketing capabilities and delivers unified customer experiences. Customization and scalability. It offers flexibility to customize data workflows and audience activation processes according to business needs. AUM is designed to handle large volumes of data, making it scalable for enterprises of various sizes. Core functionalities and architecture of AUM. Adobe Audience Manager, AUM, is a data management platform, DMP, that allows organizations to build audience segments, activate them across various channels, and optimize advertising campaigns based on data insights. Here are the core functionalities and architecture components of AUM. Core functionalities. Data collection and integration. AUM aggregates data from various sources such as websites, mobile apps, CRM systems, and third-party data providers. It integrates this data to create a unified view of customer behavior and attributes. Audience segmentation. AUM allows users to create precise audience segments based on specific criteria, such as demographics, interests, behaviors, and intent. Segments can be dynamically updated based on real-time data inputs. Audience activation. Once segments are created, AUM enables activation across multiple channels such as display advertising, social media, email, and more. This activation ensures that targeted campaigns reach the right audiences at the right time. Data privacy and governance. AUM includes features for data privacy compliance, such as consent management and data anonymization. It provides tools for data governance, ensuring that data usage aligns with regulatory requirements and internal policies. Analytics and optimization. Arm offers analytics tools to measure the performance of audience segments and campaigns. Users can optimize campaigns in real time based on performance insights and audience engagement metrics. Architecture components, data ingestion and storage. Arm collects data through various integration points, including SDKs, APIs, and data feeds. Data is stored in a centralized repository, where it undergoes processing and segmentation. Segmentation engine. This component processes incoming data to create audience segments. It applies rules and algorithms to categorize users based on predefined criteria. Identity management. Arm maintains user identities across different devices and touchpoints. It resolves identities to create a cohesive view of user interactions and behaviors. Integration with advertising platforms. Arm integrates with ad servers and demand-side platforms, DSPs, to activate audience segments for targeted advertising. It supports real-time bidding, RTB, and programmatic advertising workflows. APIs and external integrations. Arm provides APIs for custom integrations with other marketing technologies and data sources. It supports seamless data exchange and interoperability with external systems. User interface and reporting. Arm offers a user-friendly interface for configuring segments, monitoring campaigns, and accessing analytics. Reporting tools provide insights into audience performance, campaign effectiveness, and ROI. Integrating Arm with Adobe Marketing Cloud. Integrating Adobe Audience Manager, ARM, with Adobe Marketing Cloud involves leveraging the capabilities of both platforms to enhance audience segmentation, targeting, and personalization efforts across digital marketing campaigns. Here are some key steps and considerations for integrating Arm with Adobe Marketing Cloud. Platform compatibility. Ensure that your versions of Adobe Audience Manager, ARM, and Adobe Marketing Cloud are compatible with each other. Adobe typically provides compatibility guidelines and documentation for integration. Data synchronization. Set up data synchronization between Arm and Adobe Marketing Cloud to ensure that audience segments and customer data flow seamlessly between the two platforms. This synchronization is crucial for targeting and personalization across Adobe Marketing Cloud's various services. Audience segmentation. Utilize Arm's capabilities to create and manage audience segments based on data collected from various sources. These segments can then be activated in Adobe Marketing Cloud for targeted advertising, content personalization, and email campaigns. Integration points. Adobe provides integration points and APIs that allow you to connect Arm with Adobe Marketing Cloud services such as Adobe Experience Cloud, Adobe Campaign, and Adobe Analytics. These integrations enable a holistic approach to managing customer data and delivering personalized experiences. Workflow automation. Consider automating workflows between Arm and Adobe Marketing Cloud to streamline processes such as audience creation, activation, and measurement. Automation helps in maintaining data consistency and optimizing marketing efforts. Analytics and reporting. Leverage Adobe Analytics to measure the effectiveness of your audience segments and marketing campaigns. By integrating ARM with Adobe Analytics, you can gain insights into audience behavior, engagement metrics, and ROI, which helps in refining your marketing strategies. Compliance and governance. Ensure compliance with data privacy regulations and adhere to Adobe's data governance policies when integrating ARM with Adobe Marketing Cloud. This includes managing consent, data security, and user permissions. Training and support. Adobe offers training resources, documentation, and support services to help organizations effectively integrate and leverage ARM with Adobe Marketing Cloud. Investing in training for your team ensures that they can fully utilize the capabilities of both platforms. Use cases and applications of ARM in digital marketing. Adobe Audience Manager, ARM, is a powerful data management platform, DMP, that allows marketers to centralize, organize, and activate their audience data. Here are some key use cases and applications of ARM in digital marketing. Audience segmentation and targeting. ARM enables marketers to create detailed audience segments based on various criteria such as demographics, behaviors, interests, and purchase history. These segments can be used to target specific audiences with personalized marketing messages across multiple channels like email, display advertising, social media, and more. Personalization. By integrating ARM with Adobe Marketing Cloud solutions like Adobe Experience Manager, marketers can deliver personalized experiences to users based on their segment membership and behaviors. This can lead to higher engagement, conversion rates, and customer satisfaction. Campaign optimization. ARM provides insights into audience behavior and preferences, which marketers can use to optimize their campaigns in real time. Marketers can adjust their targeting strategies, messaging, and creative based on audience data to improve campaign performance. Cross-channel marketing. ARM allows marketers to create unified audience profiles that can be activated across different marketing channels. This ensures consistent messaging and targeting across channels, reducing redundancy and improving the overall customer experience. Audience insights and analytics. ARM provides robust reporting and analytics capabilities that help marketers understand how different audience segments are interacting with their campaigns. These insights can inform future marketing strategies and budget allocations. Data integration and management. ARM integrates with various data sources, including CRM systems, website analytics, and third-party data providers. Marketers can consolidate and manage all their audience data in one platform, ensuring data accuracy and compliance with privacy regulations. Ad inventory monetization. Publishers can use ARM to monetize their ad inventory more effectively by offering targeted audience segments to advertisers. This can increase the value of their ad space and drive higher revenue. Data governance and compliance with ARM. Adobe Audience Manager, ARM, provides several features that support data governance and compliance. Data usage policies. ARM allows you to define and enforce data usage policies. You can specify how data can be collected, used, and shared, ensuring compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Consent management. ARM enables you to manage consent preferences from users regarding data collection and usage. This helps in adhering to privacy laws and regulations. Data retention policies. You can set up data retention policies in ARM to ensure that data is kept only for as long as necessary and is deleted when no longer needed, which is crucial for compliance with data protection regulations. Data security. ARM provides security controls to protect data both at rest and in transit, ensuring that sensitive information is safeguarded against unauthorized access. Audit trails. It maintains audit trails of data usage and changes, which helps in demonstrating compliance during audits. Integration with Adobe Marketing Cloud. ARM integrates with other Adobe solutions like Adobe Experience Cloud, allowing you to enforce governance policies across your entire marketing ecosystem. Best practices for deploying ARM in your organization. Planning and strategy. Define goals, clearly outline what you aim to achieve with ARM, whether it's improving audience segmentation, enhancing targeting capabilities, or optimizing marketing spend. Infrastructure readiness. Ensure your IT infrastructure can support ARM's requirements, including data ingestion, processing, and integration with other marketing tools. Data governance. Data quality. Implement processes to maintain data quality and consistency across all sources integrated with ARM. Compliance. Adhere to data privacy regulations, example GDPR, CCPA, by implementing proper consent management and data access controls. Implementation and integration. Tag management. Use a robust tag management system to facilitate the integration of ARM with your website and other digital properties. Data integration. Establish seamless integration with other Adobe Marketing Cloud products and third-party systems to leverage unified data insights. Audience management. Segmentation strategy. Develop a comprehensive strategy for audience segmentation based on your business objectives and customer behavior data. Activation channels. Plan how you will activate audience segments across various channels, example email marketing, display advertising, social media. Training and support. Team training. Ensure your team members are trained on using ARM effectively, including audience creation, data ingestion, and reporting. Vendor support. Leverage Adobe's support resources and community forums for troubleshooting and best practices. Performance monitoring and optimization. KPIs and metrics. Define key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the effectiveness of your ARM deployment. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and optimize your ARM configurations, audience segments, and integration points based on performance insights. Security and compliance. Access controls. Implement role-based access controls, RBAC, to ensure data access is limited to authorized personnel. Data encryption. Use encryption techniques to protect sensitive data both in transit and at rest within ARM. Case studies. Successful implementations of ARM. Implementations of Adobe Audience Manager, ARM, can vary widely depending on the specific goals and requirements of the organization. Here are a few examples of successful case studies involving ARM. Telecommunications company. A large telecommunications firm implemented ARM to unify customer data from various sources, including web interactions, CRM systems, and mobile app data. By creating detailed audience segments, They improve targeting for marketing campaigns and personalized customer experiences across channels. This resulted in increased customer engagement and higher conversion rates. Retailer, a major retail brand, utilized ARM to consolidate customer data from online and offline transactions. By analyzing shopping behavior and preferences, they optimized their advertising spend by targeting specific audience segments with relevant product recommendations. This approach not only increased sales but also improved customer satisfaction through personalized marketing efforts. Travel industry. A global travel company leveraged ARM to enhance their digital advertising strategy. By integrating ARM with their marketing platforms, they gained insights into customer travel preferences and booking patterns. This enabled them to deliver targeted promotions and offers, leading to improved customer acquisition and loyalty. Financial services. A financial services institution adopted ARM to streamline their digital marketing efforts. They used ARM to analyze customer financial behavior and segment audiences based on investment preferences and risk profiles. This allowed them to tailor financial product recommendations and deliver personalized content, resulting in higher engagement and improved conversion rates. These case studies illustrate how organizations across different industries have successfully implemented Adobe Audience Manager to gain deeper insights into customer behavior, enhance targeting capabilities, and improve overall marketing effectiveness. What is Adobe Audience Manager, ARM, and how does it work? Adobe Audience Manager, ARM, is a data management platform, DMP, that allows businesses to build audience profiles, segment audiences based on various criteria, and activate these segments across different marketing channels. Here's how it works. Data collection. ARM collects data from various sources such as websites, mobile apps, CRM systems, and offline sources. This data can include both first-party data, collected directly from your own properties, and third-party data, purchased from external sources. Data integration. ARM integrates and consolidates this data, organizing it into unified customer profiles or audience segments. It applies machine learning and segmentation techniques to classify and group individuals based on their behavior, demographics, interests, and other attributes. Audience segmentation. Users can create specific audience segments within ARM based on criteria like demographics, behavior, example, browsing history, purchases, psychographics, example, interests, preferences, and more. Segments can be dynamically updated based on real-time data inputs. Activation. Once audiences are defined and refined, ARM allows marketers to activate these segments across various marketing channels such as advertising networks, email platforms, content management systems, and more. This ensures that targeted and personalized messages reach the right audience at the right time. Measurement and optimization. ARM provides insights into audience behavior and campaign performance. Marketers can analyze how different segments respond to campaigns, optimize targeting strategies, and refine audience definitions over time. Data governance and compliance. ARM includes tools for data governance, ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA, and internal data policies. It helps manage consent, data usage policies, and data security to protect customer information. How can ARM help businesses understand their audience better? Adobe Audience Manager, ARM, helps businesses understand their audience better through several key capabilities. Audience segmentation. ARM allows businesses to create detailed audience segments based on various attributes such as demographics, behavior, interests, and interactions across different channels. This segmentation helps in targeting specific audience groups with personalized content and messages. Data integration and management. ARM integrates data from multiple sources including CRM systems, websites, mobile apps, and third-party data providers. By consolidating and managing this data centrally, businesses gain a unified view of their audience, enabling deeper insights and more effective targeting. Audience insights and analytics. ARM provides analytics and reporting tools that help businesses analyze audience behavior, preferences, and trends. This data-driven approach allows for better decision-making in marketing strategies and campaign optimizations. Personalization and targeting. With ARM, businesses can deliver personalized experiences to their audience across various touchpoints. By understanding audience preferences and behaviors in real time, businesses can tailor content, offers, and advertisements to match individual interests and needs. Compliance and data governance. ARM includes features for data governance and compliance, ensuring that businesses adhere to regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. This helps in maintaining trust with customers by protecting their privacy and data rights. Campaign optimization. ARM enables businesses to measure the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns by tracking audience engagement and conversion metrics. This allows for continuous optimization and improvement of marketing efforts based on real-time insights. What are the challenges businesses face when using ARM, and how can they be addressed? Using Adobe Audience Manager, ARM, can present several challenges for businesses, which typically revolve around data management, compliance, integration, and maximizing the platform's effectiveness. Here are some common challenges and ways to address them. Data integration complexity. Challenge: integrating data from various sources, first party, second party, third party, into ARM can be complex, especially ensuring data consistency and accuracy. Solution: implement robust data integration pipelines using APIs and connectors provided by ARM. Use data validation and cleansing processes to maintain data quality. Data governance and compliance. Challenge: ensuring compliance with data protection regulations like GDPR, CCPA, and internal data governance policies can be challenging when using ARM. Solution: establish clear data governance frameworks. Implement role-based access controls, RBAC, within ARM to manage who can access and use data. Regular audits and compliance checks are essential. Effective audience segmentation. Challenge: creating accurate and meaningful audience segments that drive effective marketing campaigns. Solution: utilize ARM's segmentation capabilities effectively. Ensure data quality and use analytics to refine segments over time based on performance metrics. Collaborate closely with marketing teams to understand campaign goals and refine segments accordingly. Performance and scalability. Challenge: handling large volumes of data and ensuring ARM performs optimally, especially during peak usage periods. Solution: optimize ARM configurations based on workload and usage patterns. Scale infrastructure resources as needed to handle increased data volumes and user activities. Regularly monitor performance metrics and fine-tune configurations. Skill and knowledge gaps. Challenge: adequately training staff to effectively use ARM's full potential. Solution: invest in comprehensive training programs for ARM users, covering both technical aspects, platform usage, data management, and strategic aspects, campaign optimization, audience insights. Encourage ongoing learning and certification to keep up with platform updates and industry best practices. Cost management. Challenge: managing costs associated with ARM, including licensing fees, storage costs, and integration expenses. Solution: conduct regular cost assessments and optimization reviews. Consolidate data sources where possible to reduce integration costs. Negotiate pricing based on usage volumes and explore bundled service offerings from Adobe. How can ARM be customized to fit specific business needs? Adobe Audience Manager, ARM, can be customized to fit specific business needs through various configurations and integrations. Here are some key ways to customize ARM. Data integration and onboarding. ARM allows you to integrate various types of data sources such as CRM data, transactional data, website interactions, and more. Customizing data onboarding ensures that the right data sets are collected and processed to meet specific business goals. Segment creation. ARM enables the creation of custom audience segments based on specific criteria like demographics, behaviors, or interactions. Businesses can define segments tailored to their marketing strategies and target audiences more precisely. Data governance and compliance. Customize ARM's data governance settings to adhere to specific regulatory requirements, example GDPR, CCPA. This involves setting up data usage policies, access controls, and data retention rules to ensure compliance and build trust with customers. Integration with Adobe Marketing Cloud. ARM can be tightly integrated with other Adobe Marketing Cloud products such as Adobe Analytics, Adobe Campaign, and Adobe Experience Manager. This integration allows for seamless data flow and coordinated marketing campaigns across platforms. Custom APIs and workflows. Develop custom APIs and workflows to extend ARM's functionality or integrate it with other third-party systems. This can include automation of data exports, custom reporting, or integrating ARM data into business intelligence tools. Performance optimization. Configure ARM for optimal performance based on specific workload and scalability requirements. This involves tuning data processing workflows, managing data storage options, and ensuring high availability and reliability. Personalization and activation. Customize how audience segments are activated across digital advertising platforms, websites, and other marketing channels. This ensures that personalized messages and offers are delivered to target audiences effectively. Training and support. Ensure that teams are trained on using ARM effectively for their specific business needs. Adobe provides training resources and support to help businesses maximize the value of ARM through best practices and expert guidance. How does Adobe support training and certification for ARM users? Adobe supports training and certification for Adobe Audience Manager (ARM) users through various resources. Adobe Training Services. Adobe offers official training courses designed to educate users on ARM functionalities, best practices, and implementation strategies. These courses are typically instructor-led and cover a range of topics from basic to advanced levels. Adobe Certified Expert (ACE) program. Adobe provides certification exams for ARM under the ACE program. This certification validates an individual's expertise in implementing and managing Adobe solutions, including ARM. It demonstrates proficiency in configuring and optimizing ARM for effective audience management and data integration. Adobe Experience League, formerly known as Adobe Learning Hub, Experience League offers self-paced learning paths and tutorials for ARM and other Adobe products. It includes a mix of articles, videos, and hands-on exercises to help users deepen their understanding and skills. Adobe Partner Programs. Adobe partners, such as consulting firms and agencies, often provide training and certification opportunities alongside their implementation services. These programs can be beneficial for organizations looking to deploy ARM with the guidance of certified experts. Community support and resources. Adobe's community forums and knowledge base also serve as valuable resources for ARM users. They provide a platform for users to share insights, ask questions, and learn from others' experiences in using ARM effectively. Thank you.